If you have 15 minutes, I will show you how to set up a fully automated trading system that runs on its own even while you sleep. No complicated strategies, no emotional trading, just plug, set and let it run. And yes, this is the exact system that I use. In this video, I'll walk you step by step from zero to fully running automation system. By the end of this video, you will learn how to install MetaTrader 4. You'll also learn how to install a virtual private server, and at the end, you will have a fully automated trading board running live. You don't need to have any coding knowledge. Everything will be explained in a simple manner so that you can set up within 10 to 15 minutes. Before we start, you need just three things: a trading account, a virtual private server that runs 24/7, and the trading board. If you don't have these, everything is provided in the description below. Also, at any point, if you have any message, feel free to message me. I'll help you personally. The first thing we need is a trading account. You can choose any trading account, any broker can be opted, but we need to figure out if the broker is offering a tight spread. The bot is going to be deployed on Bitcoin US dollar pair, and the ideal spread is less than 2000. So what is the spread? Spread is the difference between buy price and sell price. So if the spread is below 2000 or at least 2000, that broker can be used. The bot is performing very well with vantagemarkets.com. So you can actually sign up with Vantage by providing your email ID and phone number. Once you log in, once you sign up and log in inside the portal, trading portal, you have to open a MetaTrader 4 account, and that too raw ECN account needs to be opened. Once you have signed up and logged into your account, you need to open an account. So when you open an account, there is an option for live account and demo account. If you don't want to go directly to the live account, you can open demo account. But if you want to open live account, yes. So we have to select MetaTrader 4, not MetaTrader 5. When you click that, it will ask, are you sure you want to select MetaTrader 4? Continue with MetaTrader 4. Then there is 4 options: standard STP, raw ECN. I would prefer go for raw ECN. Then select the currency whichever suits you. I'll take GBP. You don't need to put anything in the server location. By ticking the box, you are agreeing to the terms and condition. Click submit. Once you do that, you will get a email from Vantage. So you will receive a mail from Vantage like this. You will have an MT4 login, you will have a password, and you will have server MT4 server, that is Vantage International Live 16. So, and also it shows which account type it is. So this many details is important before we start implementing the other parts of automation. Okay, after having a trading account, or after getting your trading account ready, one of the most important step is to get the virtual private server, or VPS. So virtual private server is basically a computer that runs 24/7. So we are using Forex VPS because of its good performance and low latency. So it gives very fast execution of trade orders without any delay. And we have been using this Forex VPS for more than 2 years, and most of our clients haven't faced any kind of issues. Once we set up the automation system, we don't have to do any kind of maintenance or anything. All the clients, once they set up, they leave it like that. Only thing that we need to pay a small monthly payment, but compared to the returns that the bot is developing, that is very small amount. So once you are here, the link of this Forex VPS will be provided in the description. You can find that there. Once you are here, you can go for the core version. There are 3 versions, so I would suggest to go with the lowest one. You can go for the monthly plan. You can click launch now, and you have to fill in the details, check whether it is monthly plan or yearly plan. We need only monthly plan. If you want to save more, yeah, obviously if you want to save like 19%, you can go for the yearly plan, but I would suggest if you want to go with monthly plan, that is better. Let the details remain as it is. You can change the location of server where you want, but I am from London, so I am putting London. Windows 22 is okay, no backup is required. You can put in the card details, and you can give the email and your billing address, everything, and you can pay. Once you do the payment, you will receive a mail from Forex VPS that your order is confirmed, and you will get a second mail where you will have every important details to launch your virtual private server. After you have done the payment for Forex VPS, you will be receiving a mail like this, which will contain the username, password of your RDP. Also, you will have a download link of RDP here, from which you can download the RDP. That is the remote desktop. Apart from that, in the video description, there will be all the tools, including the RDP, so that you can click that and download RDP. So once you have this mail, you can log into the RDP. So I'll show how to install RDP. If you are in a MacBook, I'll show how you can do that. If you are in Windows, you can download it from this link below. So So if you are using Mac, then you can actually go to the App Store and type in here remote desktop. So once you do that, you will have a Windows app. It shows previously a remote desktop. You can install that. Once you install that, once you have installed Microsoft Remote Desktop, it will be available in the bottom bar, or if you can't find that, you can search in the apps. So once you have installed Remote Desktop, click on that and click Connection Center, and there is a plus icon at the top. You can click that and you can add PC. In that PC, you can input the name. So what is the name, PC name? In the mail, you actually saw the main IP port, right? So this is your actual PC name. The main IP and port, that which is hidden inside, is the PC name. Input that. You can give a friendly name, your name, just what's your name, just like that, Abhijit or something like that. Then you click add. Once that is done, you will get your remote desktop added here. So now when you try to open your remote desktop, it will ask for a username. You can put that as trader, because in the mail you saw that as trader. Normally by default it would be trader only. Just input trader and paste the password and click continue. Again click continue. It will open up your remote desktop system. Once you are inside the virtual private server, 90% of the job is complete. Now the only thing remaining is the installation of MetaTrader 4 inside the VPS and deploying the trading bot. The final step is to install MetaTrader 4 inside the VPS and to start our automation bot. So the Vantage application MetaTrader 4, the MetaTrader 4 application that is supporting Vantage is already kept in the description below. You can download it from there. Also the automation bot, the trading bot, is also provided in the description. You can download all these things. So I'll take both these files and I'll just paste inside the virtual private server. So I'll be getting inside a virtual private server and I'll be pasting here. First we will install the MetaTrader 4 application of Vantage. We'll click next. Once you click finish, automatically the Vantage application opens up. So once the MetaTrader 4 application has opened up, the next thing is to copy and paste our auto trading bot. So we have already pasted the auto trading bot on the desktop. We will paste it on the exact location where the trading bot has to be. So go to files and then there is open data folder. Inside that click MQL4 and inside that click expert and you paste the trading bot inside that. So our bot AlgoVogue Maestro version 2.6 has been pasted in the correct location. Then we have to refresh the expert advisor. When we refresh it, it will start showing here. So yes, the version 2.0 license is here. Now another important thing that we need to address is that we need to enable the bot. So for that, go to tools, go to options. Inside that, in the expert advisor tab, allow automated trading, disable automated trading when the account has changed, disable automated trading when the profile has changed, and allow DLL, allow web request URL. And you need to ensure that this URL https algovogue.uk is there. Rest all you can ignore, but at least you need to have algovogue.uk. If you don't have this URL, then it won't work. Rest of the URL you can actually neglect. After that, click OK. So the automation bot is here. Now the final thing is to activate the bot. Below there is a WhatsApp system where you can actually text and get your license activated for free. It's a trial license, but you can actually start using it and get a feel of what automation trading is. Now we have to log into a trade account. So go to accounts, right click, log into trade account, enter the MT4 account number which you received in the mail, enter the password and select the correct server. It might be Vantage International Live 16 for raw ECN. Based on what you have in your mail, input the details and click login. Once you get logged in, you can see your account number at the top of the MetaTrader 4 application. So the next important thing is to actually add a chart, trading chart here. So First you have to go to views and we have to click on symbols. Normally you won't have Bitcoin US dollar there, so go to cryptocurrency and select BTC USD. So it would be here. So BTC USD, if it is not in this golden color, that means it's not available. If it is in this golden color, it is available. Then click close, double click it, it will automatically appear here. Click close, then go to new chart, go to cryptocurrency, click BTC USD, enlarge the chart. Currently it's on 1 hour time frame, change to 1 minute time frame at the top. Then check whether the auto trading is enabled. Currently it's on bar graph, change it to candlestick. If you want, you can zoom it. So currently it's 1 minute time frame, it is candlestick. Now the last and final portion is to drag and drop the trading board. So this is AlgoVogue Maestro version 2. Just click on it, drag and drop onto the screen. So when you drop onto the screen, you will have like this area. You can put the setting as it is in the common. The same settings can be enabled in the common. And when it comes to input, for 1000 capital, keep the lot size as 0.01. If you have capital less than 1000 US dollar, then I don't suggest to actually use the trading bot. The minimum trading capital required for the best performance of this trading bot is 1000. So if you have a capital of around 1000, then use lot size here as 0.01. You can keep this in dynamic mode or fixed mode. I'll be explaining in more detail about the settings in the next video, but as of now I'm keeping it only on the fixed mode, so I'll make it 0. As I said, for 1000 capital, keep it 0.01. If your capital is 10,000, then change this to 0.1. If your capital is 2000, then 0.02. Since my capital is like 1000, I'll put 0.01. Then keep the rest of the setting as it is. You don't need to do anything else. That's it, and just click OK. So when you click OK, the board starts. If you can see a small smiley here, icon here, that means the bot is working. You can see the license valid, how much days is left, what is the highest balance recorded till now after implementing the bot. So as of now, the complete automation is complete. You can install the MetaTrader 4 app in your mobile, and by logging in that, you can get to know what is the status of your trading and everything. How much is the profit and loss, everything can be tracked in the MetaTrader 4 app. Last, one of the most important thing is the how you go out of the automation trading system. So currently you have the virtual private server. Inside that you have installed the MetaTrader 4 application, and inside that you have deployed the trading board. The trading board is running. So now you can minimize the MetaTrader 4 application and you can log out. I don't say shut down. If you shut down, it won't work. Don't shut down, just close the VPS. You can close it here, but don't shut down, don't restart, just close the VPS here. If you close the MetaTrader 4 application, that means even though the VPS is on, you don't have this tab. So you can minimize the MetaTrader 4 application and you can close the virtual private server, but never shut down or restart. There is a normal tendency of people to actually go here and shut down. Don't do that. This is a 24/7 running computer. You don't shut down. Again, when you want to log in, just click it and go to the connection center, select your profile, and inside that you will see everything as it is. See the trading bot, everything is there as it is, because you didn't close the MetaTrader 4 application and you didn't shut down. You just closed the virtual private server. You can close the virtual private server, but never turn the virtual private that means the windows off, and never close the MetaTrader 4 application. Just close the VPS, that's all.